Hello and welcome to StoryTone English. This English story is made to help you speak English with confidence. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need fast English. Just listen calmly. Let the language enter your mind. Now, let us begin the story. Raoul understood English very well. He could read English books. He could understand English movies. But when he tried to speak English, his voice became weak. His heart beat fast. His mind became empty. Simple sentences felt difficult. At the office, people spoke English easily. Raoul stayed silent. He was afraid of mistakes. He was afraid of judgment. So he chose silence. Every night he thought, I know English, but I cannot speak. One day, a new colleague joined the office. Her name was Anna. Anna spoke English slowly. Her English was simple, but she spoke confidently. During lunch, Anna said, English is not my first language. I just speak. Mistakes help me learn. That sentence touched Raoul's heart. Mistakes help me learn. The next morning, Raoul decided to try. A colleague asked, Did you finish the report? Raoul took a deep breath. He said, Yes, I finished it yesterday. The sentence was simple, not perfect, but nobody laughed. Nobody criticized him. Raoul felt something new, confidence. From that day, Raoul practiced every day. He spoke to himself. In front of the mirror, while walking, while working, he said simple sentences. I am learning English. I can speak English slowly. Mistakes are okay. I am improving every day. Slowly, fear became smaller. Now listen carefully and repeat softly. I am learning English. I can speak English slowly. Mistakes help me improve. I feel confident when I speak. Days passed. Raoul started speaking more. He asked questions. He shared ideas. He was not perfect, but he was confident. He understood one thing. Confidence does not come from grammar. Confidence comes from practice. If you are listening to this story, you are like Raoul. You understand English. Now you want to speak. Remember this, you do not need perfect English. You need confidence. Listen to these sentences. I can speak English. I am not afraid of mistakes. My English gets better every day. I speak English with confidence. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself speaking English calmly, clearly, confidently. That person is you. Thank you for listening. Listen again tomorrow.